creative people, welcome back to another episode of Busy Beader. If this is your first time here with us, my name is Caitlin, and together we make simple but beautiful and elegant and fun jewelry and other crafting related projects together. And today we are going to be making a honeybee necklace. So we are going to be combining this cute little ceramic bee with our really fun acrylic flowers that we've used in past projects to make like a little piece of scenery almost on a necklace. And I am super excited to show you how you can take a really simple technique, which is just making a drop, but when you do it with certain elements, it creates something new and different that we haven't done here on Busy Beader before. But first, you got to check out my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. I can't speak highly enough of them. They have amazing products and wonderful customer service, and you can really find whatever your heart desires in the world of jewelry making and crafting on their website. So you can go on there and look for a boost of creativity and get your own things together to make either this honeybee necklace with me today or whatever you like. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. When you do that, you get to join me every week. This whole past month has been dedicated to animal-themed jewelry and crafting projects, and I like doing that sometimes, doing little bundles of themes. Sometimes we do jewelry sets. Sometimes I just do one-off projects because I think that they're fun. So regardless of what you're looking for, I probably got a little something of that here on my channel, so definitely be sure to hit that bell button. That way you get notified every time a new video comes out. All right, let's jump into making this honeybee necklace today. Step 1. All right, we have to gather our supplies and materials. The only tools we need today are a set of clippers and a set of round nose pliers. Then you're going to need a large yellow acrylic flower, a smaller white acrylic flower. I think this is actually the medium size. There's one smaller than that. And then we need 3 of these little itty-bitty champagne-colored bicone crystal passions beads. And then 1 of these gorgeous big yellow crystal passions beads. And then, of course, our adorable little ceramic bumblebee, who's just going to be the star of the show. And then we need a head pin to pull that all together. And then I chose this swirly chain that is already completed today, but if you don't have a completed chain, be sure to cut your chain to the length that you want and then add your clasp and your jump rings and a chain extender if you'd like it. Once you've gathered all your supplies and materials, meet me back here and let's get started. Step 2. All right, today is really simple, but a gorgeous result. I wanted to show you how layering beads can just get you something really cool. So we are going to kind of go in this order I have laid out. So we're first going to start with one of our very small champagne colored bicone crystal passion beads. That's going to slide on. And then we're going to slide our bee on. I wanted my bee facing towards the flower, so it was kind of like it was eating some nectar, but you can flip it the other way around too if you'd like. Then we're going to do another one of our crystal passions bicone beads. And then our big yellow crystal passions bead. Then our small flower, smaller, medium, clear acrylic flower. I love the way that you can see the yellow through the clear acrylic. And then we're going to put another one of these crystal passions bicone beads on, and it's just to kind of fill in a little bit of a space and to give it a little bit of color in there. Last but not least, you're going to slide on your big yellow, and if you look, you can kind of see that sparkle and that color in there. And once you have all of that layered on, it's time to turn it into a drop. So as always, you're going to stick your thumb on the bottom of the head pin here, and then I'm just putting my fingers on the edge of this flower so that I can keep everything nice and tight. You're going to take your round nose pliers and you're going to make an angle in the wire. Anywhere between 45 degrees and 90 is sufficient. Then you're going to cut off your excess, but we're going to make a little bit bigger of a loop today, so don't cut off too much excess. Leave yourself a little extra. And then you are going to go a little bit further. You're going to go to the end of your wire, but a little bit further down your round nose pliers, and that's how you make the loop a little bigger. You're going to spin that back around in the opposite direction and come back this direction. Step 3. You have your loop made. All you have to do to finish is open that loop up and slide your chain through, and that's why we made the loop a little bit bigger. If you made your loop too small, you can always add a jump ring on, and that's a really easy fix too. And then you're just gonna close that loop there. And there you have a really adorable, fun bumblebee necklace. There you go, just a couple of minutes putting the right beads in the right order on a head pin and adding a chain, and you can have a gorgeous necklace like this darling little honeybee flying to the flower. I thought this design was super fun, very summery, and a fun addition to our animal themed projects that we've been making this month. I hope you had as much fun as I did getting to make it today. If you have any questions for me or just want to leave a comment, please do. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I love getting to hear from you guys. It makes my day when I get those comments, and I love getting to respond to them, so definitely be sure to do that. And don't forget to check out my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. They have everything that we use in our videos, crafting-wise, tool-wise, all of the above, so definitely check them out. I hope that you're having a wonderful and flowery summertime, and I will see you in the next one.